Mother here. Thank you so much for clicking. Guys, welcome to my kitchen. It's a beautiful Sunday. It's morning. It's my time to eat breakfast. Guys, I'm going to show you what I eat for my breakfast. As you all guys know, I have 2 trees of pears, organic pears, in my backyard. Oh well guys, these are the pears we are using to make a smoothie. As you can tell, there are so many. There are so many, plenty of pears. I'm going to make smoothie today. What I'm going to use to make my smoothie, of course, I'm going to use my banana, yes, my apple, my pears, yes, and of course, I am going to use milk. Guys, you can use any kind of milk you want, okay? So you can use warm milk, you can use cold milk, you can use juice, or you can use water. So my choice today is apple, banana, and pears smoothie. So that's what I'm going to show you. Guys, as you know, those ones who have not watched my videos on my channel, I have plenty on how my pears are growing, on how my pears, I take care of my pears, and now pears are ready. We have plenty, and I am going to be making different kinds of smoothies. So today is my pear, apple, banana smoothie. Welcome, let's make it, guys. All I need now, I need my knife. Here, another pear. Guys, comment below what do you think of my pears. And of course, I am going to peel my apple too. But before I peel it, I need to cut in the middle. I hope you guys can see me. Peel my small pieces. And then after we chop into small pieces, we are going to put it in a blender in a little bit. Let me show you guys. There we go. Now you get a blender. You put all the mixture in here. Oh my goodness, it smells really good. The aroma that comes from all this combination. So after you put this, and then you come with your banana. You know, banana is plenty and potassium, guys. So you break your banana, and then you cut your banana in here. Yes, guys. You can use a half of banana, or you can use the whole banana. It's your choice. For me, I use the whole banana. So I put my banana in there, guys. And then when I'm done with my banana, oh my goodness, I come up with my milk. You can put a full glass of milk, or you can use a half. Again, you can warm your milk if you like warm smoothie, especially in the morning, or you can use cold milk. As for me, I like both. Sometimes I can use warm milk, and sometimes I can use cold milk. Like today, I'm going to use my cold milk, and my cup is going to be a half. And then you boil your milk in here. There you go, guys. After you're done with this, you start blending your smoothie. Oh my goodness, guys, the aroma that comes from in here. Let's see. I'm warning you, it's gonna be a little bit loud. So I wanna make sure everything is okay, and then I'm gonna hit blend it. See the magic? Look at that. That's the magic of blending my banana, my apple, and my organic pears from my backyard. That's my smoothie. Comment below, guys. Comment below what you think. decide to add a little bit of ice cubes if you want to. So for me, I add a little bit of ice cubes in my smoothie. Just a little bit. Yes. We start blending again. I'm getting my smoothie is done. Come on, let's go. Stop it. Oh wow, it's done. All you need is your glass and a straw. You can decide to use a straw or not, but for me, I have to have my straw. So my glass is here and my straw. Straw can be in color. You can use a gray straw, blue, red, white, whatever. But today, I think I'm gonna use the blue one. What do you think, guys? Yes, that's what you need. So my smoothie, oh my goodness, it looks so creamish. Look at that. Look at that. That is my organic pears from my backyard. I cannot believe. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you have not watched my videos, I'm gonna post another videos how my pears are ready. So that make sure you watch the videos. But hey, let's enjoy our smoothie. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's the aroma that comes from this smoothie. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, guys. So, my straw comes in here. Let me take a sip. My goodness, it's so creamish, like it's so the aroma that comes from here. And guys, another thing, let me show you how you're going to make your aroma even better. Make sure you chop your lemon if you have lemon and put it on top of your glass. Oh my goodness, look at that. The aroma, the mixture of banana, the mixture of pears and apple together. My world. This is all I need, especially this hot summer. Oh well, guys, make sure you tune in if you are not a subscriber. If you want to see all kinds of smoothies that I'm going to use on my pear trees, if you want to see the videos of my pear trees, my organic, if you want to see the tour of my backyard, guys, make sure you are subscribed and make sure you like the video, you share the video, you leave that sweet comment down here, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to my kitchen. Leave a sweet comment below, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Let me enjoy my pear smoothie. Bye-bye.